barbecue and what the other one name?
I don't know. I'm gonna eat. Eat, man. Nah, be nice no more. So I gotta eat it. Barbecue KFC. First stop. Guys, nothing left in the KFC box. I devour it. Only thing left, a couple of fries. The whole of the KFC, eat the whole of that, man. 3 pieces of barbecue. It is quick and fast. Jamaican KFC is the best. Best. When you come to Jamaica, you have to eat KFC. That's the first thing. Then they get the red stripe beer. Don't it? Coconut water, yeah. Either red stripe or coconut water. But definitely KFC. So we're trying to go to Eros Circle next. I'm gonna see if they have some crab. I'm allergic, but I'm gonna eat some crab today. KFC was good, man. I haven't eaten all morning. I saved all the space just for the KFC. That's how good Jamaican KFC is. Alright, stay tuned. The Eros Circle, I get some crab and some soup. Only for vendor out here today, but I've only a soup and I think one person have crab so far. So I'm just gonna get crab and one cup of soup and that's it. I will come out here one next time when you know it's busy, because it's not busy today. We're gonna get a fan. I think this one. So after you buy the fan, this is where you come to pick the fan up. Good evening, man.
What do you buy?
There's a whole lot of people in here.
Oh, this is nobody.
And
Nobody knows. Sometimes the line go all the way.
for there? Yeah, but I have to get a whole case. I don't need a whole case.
Magnum.
Magnum.
Oh, this is who somebody steal. You drink Jacka?
Mm-hmm. Hold on there, what? Hmm? Yeah, it seems like they're out of a lot of stuff.
It's there. Was it's covered? I don't know if it's sorry.
I see red stripe, but I don't see red stripes. Smirnoff. I guess the liquor that I want, I gotta go to the liquor store for it.
I never can give a kind of raspberry.
Yeah, but I'm asking for the brown grape.
Where's I get water? And the AC they're low.
This is normally
So we're leaving Spice Mart and then we're gonna go to Fontana. Okay, so I'll check back in with you guys when we get to Fontana. Alright guys, so we're gonna go to Fontana and then we're gonna go home. Been on the road all day. From the airport to all over. Get it? Fontana.
what's sunscreen? Copper. Alright.
These are my facial stuff? Oh yeah.
Oh, I got this.
Remember them days when we used to have a whole heap of bump on my face?
They're overcome it now.
So I'm glad my past that. Used to have a whole lot of bump.
But me and I shall get over.
She soon get up. I don't use nothing for my face but water now. It don't make no sense. Need someone. Yeah, chopstick. I forget about that stuff.
What? These are waiting for me.
It should be in this
Yeah.
around here then.
You know where it is, man?
I think we should ask someone.
I was just thinking because there's no one on a phone here.
And I think we should ask someone. Molly. Trying to see if I can find some chopstick for my lip. Excuse me, can you tell me where can I find it? The chopstick?
After 5, huh?
Can you tell me where can I find a chopstick?
I don't know.
You don't know? Help me out, man.
Can you remember the chopstick?
Them not none?
No, it's what you think. No, put it down. Put it down, Hula. Mom, please. Mommy, please.
Why not they get the red stripe? Cheers. Alright guys, breakfast is served, so Uncle Alan get up this morning and make some breakfast. Callaloo, yam, and saltfish. No Jamaican breakfast. Diva white. I'm at the outside, you know, guys. I think my aunt planted some stuff over here. Some pepper. Look like okra. Look like pepper and okra so far. I think this is the okra right here. And this is the pepper tree. I think That's a little garden over there. Well, tomorrow morning, this is soursop. I'm definitely gonna make some soursop tea, soursop leaf tea tomorrow. And this is the cherry tree, but there's no cherry on it right now. And this is the ackee tree. I mean, I think this is custard apple. I'm not sure. And that's the plum tree right there. Mango. It look like a lime tree. You know, the good old olive oil. Well, I got some cherry on the tree. I'm gonna try it right now. This one is small. It's a big one right here. The big one right here. They're actually sweet too. Yeah. Only in Jamaica, man, you can walk out your house and just pick something off the tree and eat. Yes. And in Jamaica, everywhere you go, they're playing music, as you can hear them in the background. And it's not church, it's something else. There's a whole bunch of them right up there. I'm just enjoying the ones that I can get from the ground. Alright guys, I'm gonna close this video right here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.